Hey guys, this is Nash and this is my complete guide to install Treble custom ROM. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Resurrection Remix Treble ROM for Oreo 8.1. So before doing anything, you must have unlocked bootloader. Now it's not hard to unlock bootloader nowadays, there are plenty of guides available. I will drop the link for that in the description box below. So first we are going to download RedWolf Recovery. Because Treble ROMs require special kind of recoveries, you can use your normal Twrp recovery, but that might give you boot loops. So download RedWolf Recovery for your phone. In my case, I'm going to download it for my Redmi Note 4. Then put it in platform tools folder. Now if you don't have platform tools folder, I will provide the link for that also. Now download treble ROM and GApps, means Google Apps. And as you can see, I have already downloaded Resurrection Remix ROM for my Redmi Note 4 and open GApps 8.1. Now this is a treble build of Resurrection Remix. If you want, you can install any normal custom ROM also using the same process and same recovery. And now before we begin, make sure you back up everything in your phone. Now switch off your phone completely and press power button and volume down button to enter into your bootloader mode. This might be different for your phone, so Google it how to enter bootloader mode space your phone. Once you are in bootloader mode, connect your phone to PC. Now go to platform tools folder which you just downloaded. In that folder, go to empty space and press shift key and then right click, and it will show you to open command prompt. I'm using Mac, so I will open my terminal. Now type this command, fastboot devices, and if you see random number means everything is working fine. You can go ahead and now type this command, fastboot flash recovery space recovery name.img. Press enter and boom, you have successfully installed RedWolf Recovery in your phone. Now switch off your phone and press power button and volume down button to enter into recovery mode. So once you are in RedWolf Recovery, go to Wipe tab and swipe right to Factory Data Reset. And then go to Install tab and locate Resurrection Remix and open GApps. Swipe right to flash both of them. This might take around 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's done, reboot your phone. So the first boot always take around 5 to 10 minutes. So keep waiting and don't interrupt the process. If it's more than 10 minutes, then go to your recovery, then repeat the process and flash the ROM again. So as you can see, we have successfully installed Resurrection Remix Treble ROM on my Redmi Note 4. Now you can use this process and install any custom ROM on any Android phone. All the download links for ROM, GApps and everything will be in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And if you appreciate my work, subscribe this channel with bell icon and like this video. This is your friend Nash signing out, and I will see you tomorrow.